When it comes to road trips, outdoor adventures, or simply hauling extra gear, a hitch-mounted cargo carrier is a game changer. Whether you need extra space for luggage, camping equipment, or bulky items, a reliable cargo carrier ensures a smooth and stress-free journey. However, not all cargo carriers are created equal. Some prioritize security, others focus on adaptability, and a few stand out with premium durability. In this video, I will walk you through the top 5 Hitch cargo carriers, breaking down their standout features, usability, and who they're best suited for. If you're looking for a Hitch cargo carrier that goes beyond standard storage, the Mockins Trailer Hitch cargo carrier offers versatility and convenience, especially for mobility and heavy equipment transportation. What sets this model apart is its built-in ramp, which allows for effortless loading and unloading of wheelchairs, scooters, snowblowers, and other heavy items. This feature is a game changer for users who need a hassle-free transport solution for mobility devices and large cargo. Designed with a 48-inch by 28.5-inch platform, the Mockins carrier provides ample space for various items while maintaining stability and balance on the road. To ensure a secure and wobble-free experience, it comes equipped with hitch stabilizers, tie-down straps, and a hitch pin lock, all of which work together to prevent excessive movement. Additionally, its 4.5-inch high-side rails and integrated reflectors enhance safety, ensuring your cargo remains secure even on rough terrain and nighttime drives. With a weatherproof steel build and rust-resistant coating, this carrier is built to last through all seasons. If you need a cargo carrier that provides mobility support, safety, and durability, the Mockins Trailer Hitch cargo carrier is the ultimate choice for convenience and peace of mind. For those who prefer a fully equipped cargo carrier with added accessories, the Weize folding hitch mount cargo carrier is a comprehensive package that delivers convenience and security. Designed to fit a 2-inch receiver hitch, this carrier ensures universal compatibility with most vehicles. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its impressive 500-pound load capacity, thanks to its heavy-duty steel construction. Unlike standard cargo carriers that require additional purchases for securing items, Weize includes everything you need for a worry-free journey. The package comes with 2 12-foot tie-down straps, a large cargo net, and a waterproof cargo bag, providing multiple layers of protection against movement, weather conditions, and road debris. Another highlight of the Weize carrier is its space-saving foldable design, allowing you to conveniently stow it away when it's not in use. To prevent long-term damage from exposure, the powder-coated frame protects against rust and corrosion, but for added longevity, it's recommended to use truck bed liner paint for enhanced rust-proofing. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with maximum convenience and built-in security, the Weize folding hitch mount cargo carrier is a top-tier choice for adventurers, campers, and long-distance travelers. When it comes to heavy-duty cargo hauling, the MaxHaul hitch cargo carrier is built to handle substantial loads with ease. With a 500-pound weight capacity, this carrier ensures that even the bulkiest of items such as construction tools, large coolers, and storage bins can be transported securely. The carrier's oversized basket measures 53 inches in length and 19 inches in width, providing ample space to accommodate a wide range of cargo sizes. Unlike some competitors with lower side rails, the MaxHaul features 5-inch high side walls, giving your gear extra protection from sliding off during transit. Installation is a breeze, as it fits into standard 2-inch hitch receivers, making it compatible with most SUVs, trucks, and crossovers. Whether you're planning a cross-country trip or need extra hauling capacity for work equipment, the MaxHaul hitch cargo carrier is a dependable companion that won't let you down. For those who need a compact but strong cargo carrier, the Camco Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is a perfect match. Despite its slightly smaller dimensions, measuring 51.5 inches by 17.5 inches, it offers the same 500-pound weight capacity as larger models, making it a practical choice for efficient space management without sacrificing strength. One of its standout features is its quick attach and detach system, allowing users to install or remove the carrier in a matter of minutes. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who use their cargo carriers only occasionally and prefer a hassle-free setup. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, the Camco carrier is engineered to withstand demanding loads. The powder-coated finish enhances its resistance to rust and weather damage, making it a reliable option for long-term use. Because of its compact size, this carrier is ideal for smaller vehicles or those who prefer less bulk behind their car. Whether you're carrying small luggage, camping gear, or emergency supplies, the Camco Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier offers durability in a space-efficient package. If security and adaptability top your list of must-haves, the Curt Hitch Cargo Carrier offers a well-balanced blend of durability, convenience, and protection for your cargo. Its 6-inch high walls create a secure enclosure for your gear, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently transport loose or stackable items. Whether you need to strap down luggage, coolers, or camping supplies, these walls provide the perfect foundation for attaching cargo nets or straps. Beyond security, the Curt Cargo Carrier also shines in practicality. Thanks to its folding and angled shank, you can easily tilt the carrier upward when it's not in use, ensuring it doesn't take up unnecessary space behind your vehicle. Durability is another area where this cargo carrier excels. Built from tubular steel, it can confidently handle up to 500 pounds of cargo, making it a dependable choice for road trips, moving, and outdoor excursions. The E-coat and carbide black powder finish ensure long-term protection against rust and weather elements, making it ideal for year-round use. Additionally, integrated reflectors on the frame enhance visibility, improving safety for nighttime travel. For travelers who prioritize security, ease of use, and long-lasting performance, the Curt Hitch Cargo Carrier stands out as a solid investment for hassle-free hauling. Choosing the right hitch cargo carrier depends on your specific needs. If security and adaptability are your priority, the Curt Hitch Cargo Carrier is an excellent choice. For those who want an all-in-one solution with added accessories, the Weize Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is hard to beat. If heavy-duty performance is your main concern, the MaxHaul Hitch Cargo Carrier offers rugged reliability. The Camco Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is a great compact option, while the Mockins Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier is perfect for mobility and large equipment transportation.